ColorwayXpress offers effects that can be used to colorize digital designs. To access these effects, right-click on Colorway General. From this window, you can select the effects you want. Additionally, if you want to apply an effect to a specific layer, you can access the effects by right-clicking on that layer. Let's move on to Effects. Selective Color Effect. When you click on the Selective Color Effect, this window opens. This effect allows you to fine-tune the colors. Unlike Photoshop, it includes 12 color modes, offering both 6 and 12 color options. Additionally, you can apply effects based on the tones of the selected color in the Tones section. To get started, pick from the screen and select the color you want to fine-tune directly from the design. Depending on the selected color mode, the program determines the group of the selected color, and you can adjust its cyan, magenta, yellow, and black values. Furthermore, you can modify the expand area, sharpness, and hue as well. By toggling the visibility, you can view both the original and the edited version of the colorway. If you want to reset all settings, click the Reset All button. Hue Saturation Effect. When you click on the Hue Saturation Effect, the settings will appear in the Properties window. The Hue Saturation Effect allows you to adjust the hue, saturation, and brightness of the entire design. Additionally, by clicking the Pick Color button at the bottom, you can select a color from the screen and apply the HSB effect only to that specific color, based on the color scale determined by the software. Colorizing Effect. The Colorizing Effect assigns a color to the design while protecting the color tones. You can apply this effect to the entire design by adding it through Colorway General. In layer designs, it can also be applied individually to layers. Smart Colorization Effect. If your design consists of one or more layers and a layer contains only a single color, smart coloring enables you to quickly recolor those layers. The software automatically selects the color in the layer, which you can easily adjust as needed. It is typically used for the background layers. Gradient Map Effect. Gradient Map Effect is a useful effect to give color to dark and light tones of one color. It maintains the gradient transitions between tones. Using this effect on the designs which have one or two colors allows us to get better and faster results. You can either use the preset settings at the top of the gradient map window or customize the tones yourself to create your own custom gradient map. Since the color needs to be selected from the screen, turn off the visibility. After selecting the light and dark colors, turn the visibility back on. We can give new colors to the selected colors by double-clicking on the thumbnails that appear on the Transparency and Colors bar. After giving the colors, we can also adjust the effect of these colors on light and dark tones by moving the thumbnails on the Transparency and Colors bar that appears below, and we can adjust the effect of the chosen colors on the saturated areas from the gray Transparency bar as well. We can also adjust the opacity of the colors from the opacity parameter below. When you add Gradient Map Effect, black and white colors are always selected automatically. If there are no black or white colors in your design, you can delete these colors by right-clicking their thumbnail on the Transparency and Colors bar. Gamma and Curve Effect. You can adjust the lightness and darkness of the entire design using the Gamma and Curve effects. These effects can also be applied to a single layer. With the Copy Effects feature, you can copy the effects that you have given and paste them to another design. Open the design or colorway that you want to paste the effects. Right-click on Colorway General or layer that you want to paste and click Paste Copied Effects. Paste Special allows you to paste the copied effects to other colorways by selecting them. You can select the colorways you want to paste from the opened window. Please note, if you work with conventional design, when you right-click on the Colorway General, you will see the same effects. If you apply these effects to conventional designs, the design will become digital. You won't be able to print it as a conventional design. You will need to print it using digital printing. Congratulations, you learned how to use effects in digital designs.